Hello, Rico the Wedding Singer here, and I'm here to teach you how to crack someone else's back. So let's get to it. Let me show you how it's done. I have my assistant right here. So all you have to do is follow the spine, and you put your two hands next to the spine, not on the spine, but next to it. And then you push up this way. Ready? Let me show you how it's done. Put your two thumbs along the spine, not on the spine, along the spine. And then 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then if you want more, maybe on this side. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay. Please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.